Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to unbox Wendougee from Espresso outlet. If you are thinking about buying Wendougees, make sure you have the right outlet for this. This machine requires 20 amp outlet. Okay, so how can you tell 20 amp outlet versus regular 15 amp outlet? 20 amp outlet has a T-shaped prong. Okay, so that's the sign of you have the 20 amp outlet. If you're not sure about it, contact your electrician, okay? Very important. All right, let's unbox this. Let's find out what's in these two boxes here. So let's take a look. Okay, look like we have a tablet stand. Okay. I imagine it's may go on right here, just like that. Okay, it goes on like that. All right, and then we have, what do I have here? Comes with a bottomless portafilter. It's not bad. It's pretty high quality too. Feels very nice, by the way. It also comes with a cleaning solution too. Okay, descaling solution as well. What else we got? We have a look like this is a large basket. Okay, another spare basket. Obviously blind baskets. This one look like some kind of shaker. Okay. Or some kind of sifter. I'm not sure. I have to look it up. Okay, this is an interesting one. I've never seen this one before. All right, let's take a look at second box. This is all the supplies for direct plumbing. Okay, extra, direct plumbing hose. Yeah. So, also give you a cleaning. Look like this is a grip head cleaner. Looks pretty cool. Okay. So this, let's see. What is this? So this one, I wonder, it just goes in here perhaps? Yeah, something like, yeah. There we go, that looks pretty nice. Yeah, that's the nice wooden accent. Just like that. Actually, it's pretty nice. Okay, I like it. All right. Let's start removing the plastic protector cover. Yeah. There's something about removing the plastic, right? It's very satisfying. Yeah. So let's take a look. Sometimes I'll leave it on some of my machines. Okay, but this one, yeah, we're gonna properly remove it. It looks really good, isn't it? Very shiny. Okay, here's the thing about it. It's kind of really shines right now, but within a couple of months or so, it's gonna be all scratched out. So enjoy while you can. Okay, let's remove the top protection as well. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, just remove the water tank cover too. It's very comes to quality of the build. It's well built. Yeah, it's very heavy as well. Okay, I have some leftover protector covers here. I'm just gonna remove the front panel, and then I'm gonna remove this. Comes to removing the top panel here, cover the top panel, just the 2 screws. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like so. That's it. Just very easy. Okay, and I can actually just remove this tape. Okay, yeah, just like so. Since we got a top panel open, let's move the side panel, see, and then let's see how easy to access the side panel. Okay, just one screw here, and second screw is right here. Just remove that. Okay. You can just lift it to the side. Okay. Man, it's so easy, right? So easy to remove the side panel. As you can see, it's very nicely well put together. Comes to wiring is nice as well. Looking at the build quality it's pretty clean as well. It's nice. Okay, I cannot wait to start brewing it. So anyway, so let's put it back together right now. Again, it's only 2 screws to remove the side panel as well. So all right, let's put it together. Just like that. As you can see, it looks great. Build quality is there as well. I cannot wait to start brewing coffee with Wendougee Data S. It's going to be plenty of content regarding this machine, and I'm going to be comparing with other double boiler in the market today as well. So let's find out. Okay, let's find out how this machine compares to others, and it should be a lot of fun. Okay, guys, see you guys next time.